Spiritual growth is a profoundly personal journey, one that cannot be confined to a single rigid diet. After all, we're all unique beings with different bodies, minds, and paths. However, what unites us is the power of mindful eating, being intentional and present with the foods we consume, such as quinoa salads, fish proteins, and vegetables. So then, what are some of the simple dietary tips that can help you tune into your spiritual essence? Well, let's explore. Tip 1. Decrease animal protein and introduce more vegetarian foods. One powerful way to accelerate your spiritual growth is by reducing your intake of animal protein and embracing more vegetarian foods. This shift can enhance your sense of compassion, mindfulness, and connection with nature. Many spiritual traditions, such as Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism, emphasize nonviolence and compassion toward all living beings. These traditions advocate for vegetarianism as a means to align our actions with these principles and minimize harm to animals. Plant-based proteins, like lentils, beans, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh, are more sustainable and eco-friendlier than animal-based foods, which require more land, water, and energy, contributing to higher greenhouse gas emissions. Embracing these alternatives helps the planet and nurtures a deeper connection with nature, aligning with many spiritual paths. Adopting a plant-based diet can have profound effects on your physical and mental well-being. Plant-based foods are often rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and vitality. Many individuals report feeling lighter, more energetic, and experience increased mental clarity after reducing their consumption of heavy animal-based foods. Now, we understand that making significant dietary changes can be challenging, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Start by gradually incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, perhaps 1 or 2 meatless days per week. This will ease the transition and help you become more comfortable with this lifestyle change. Remember, the intention behind our actions is what truly matters. By consciously choosing compassionate food choices, we cultivate a sense of mindfulness and gratitude, qualities that can profoundly impact our spiritual journey. Tip 2. Increase your vegetable intake and decrease processed carbs. Beyond embracing plant-based proteins, increasing your intake of whole nutrient-dense vegetables can significantly enhance your physical health and deepen your spiritual practices. Many spiritual traditions and health experts advocate for a diet rich in fresh vegetables, as they provide essential nourishment for both the body and the soul. Eating more vegetables and cutting down on processed carbs is a powerful way to boost your spiritual growth. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish your body and mind. They promote overall health and vitality, which is crucial for maintaining the energy and focus needed for spiritual practices like meditation and mindfulness. Processed carbs often contain additives and long ingredient lists with little nutritional value. These foods, including snacks, fast foods, and sugary drinks, can disrupt your body's natural balance and lead to health issues. Consuming them can also disconnect us from the sources and preparation of our meals, making us less mindful of what we eat and how it affects us. Eating processed foods comes at a cost. They can make us feel sluggish and unfocused, which hinders our ability to engage deeply with our spiritual practice. Vegetarianism is increasingly recognized for its role in spiritual well-being, with many doctors promoting it for its nutritional and disease-preventing benefits. The connection between our spiritual essence and our diet is profound. A vegetarian diet complements meditation by fostering compassion and minimizing harm to living beings, making it an essential choice for those seeking rapid progress in meditation. To implement this tip, start by adding more vegetables to your meals. Choose a variety of colors and types to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. At the same time, reduce your intake of processed carbs. Replace them with whole foods like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. These changes will help you feel more connected to your food and more mindful of what you eat. Are you still with me? This is so important. Tip 3. Eat good carbs. When it comes to carbohydrates, it's all about making the right choices. While many diets vilify carbohydrates, the truth is that our bodies and minds need the right kinds of carbs to function optimally. Instead of cutting out carbs entirely, focus on incorporating nutrient-dense whole foods. Some of the best sources of healthy carbs include sweet potatoes, yams, pumpkins, squash, and quinoa. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping maintain steady energy levels and overall well-being. Sweet potatoes and yams are fantastic choices, as they're rich in beta-carotene, which supports immune function and eye health. Pumpkins and squash are loaded with antioxidants and are low in calories, making them great for maintaining a healthy weight. Another excellent option is quinoa. It's a complete protein, packed with essential amino acids, and offers sustained energy without the blood sugar spikes often associated with refined carbohydrates. Choosing wholesome carbohydrates over refined options like bread, pasta, white rice, and white potatoes can help avoid negative effects like energy crashes, inflammation, and poor digestion. Refined carbs often cause blood sugar fluctuations, disrupting mental clarity and hindering spiritual practices like meditation. In contrast, complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes, yams, pumpkins, squash, and quinoa digest slowly, providing steady energy that supports physical activities and mental focus. This steady energy is crucial for maintaining a calm and centered state, essential for deepening your spiritual practices such as meditation and mindfulness. With sustained energy levels and a clear, focused mind, you can delve deeper into your spiritual explorations, cultivating a heightened sense of awareness and connection with your true self. To start incorporating these healthy carbs into your diet, try gradually replacing refined carbs with these nutrient-rich alternatives. For instance, swap out white rice for quinoa, or replace your usual pasta with a delicious serving of spaghetti squash, roasted squash, or sweet potatoes. These small changes can make a significant difference in how you feel both physically and mentally. Tip 4. Increase fat intake. The final piece of the puzzle for accelerating your spiritual growth through diet is to increase your intake of good fats while avoiding harmful ones. For too long, fats have been unfairly demonized. However, current science is twisting this misconception, stating that our bodies and minds thrive when we consume high-quality, nourishing fats from whole food sources. Let's embrace a variety of good fats in our diets, such as coconut oil, butter from pasture-raised cows, nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. These fats support hormone production, brain health, and nutrient absorption, all essential for physical and mental well-being. They promote mental clarity, focus, and emotional balance, crucial for deep meditation, self-reflection, and spiritual growth. Healthy fats also support hormone production that regulates mood, sleep, and stress response, enhancing our ability to navigate the spiritual journey with grace and self-control. Avoiding trans fats and highly processed vegetable oils is important for maintaining good health. These fats are linked to inflammation, heart disease, and other chronic health issues. Trans fats, commonly found in hydrogenated oils and processed foods, can negatively impact cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Additionally, vegetable oils, such as soybean, corn, and canola oil, which are high in omega-6 fatty acids, can disrupt the balance of essential fatty acids in the body, leading to inflammation and other health problems. By prioritizing good fats and eliminating harmful ones, we can enhance our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. These benefits are foundational for deepening our spiritual practices, as a well-nourished body and mind are capable of sustained focus, calmness, and resilience. As we wrap up our exploration of diet tips for spiritual growth, remember every bite we take is an opportunity to nourish not just our bodies, but also our souls. So what small change will you lovingly commit to today? Which of these tips will you be considering? Comment below. Please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Here are 2 other videos I suggest you watch. If you're still with us, awesome! Thanks for watching, and have a mindful and beautiful day.